Yorubo na nyo sa'yo. So guys, i-memorize yun din ito guys, vocabulary for sports. Dahil isa din ito sa mga minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. So lalabas din ito sa exam guys. So number 1, archery, yanggong. Number 2, athletics, yuksang. Number 3, badminton, biduminton. Number 4, baseball, yago. Number 5, basketball, nunggo. Number 6, boxing, puksing. Number 7, boxing, gunto. Number 8, cycling, cycle. Number 9, diving, diving. Number 10, horse riding, sungma. Number 11, fencing, fencing. Number 12, football, tsukko. Number 13, gymnastics, jizo. Number 14, hockey, hockey. Number 15, judo, judo. Number 16, shooting, sagyok. Number 17, softball, softball. Number 18, swimming, soyong. Number 19, table tennis, takgo. Number 20, taekwondo, taekwondo. Number 21, tennis, teniso. Volleyball, tigo. Weightlifting, yukto. Wrestling, lisoling. Golf, gulpo. Skiing, suke. Marathon, marathon. So, ayun guys.